This is my new dance, Gentle Breeze Waltz. It's a 24 counts forward, intermediate level line dance. There is no text, no restart in this dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And from the back wall, section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that.